Hi guys,
Привет всем.
it's Mico here.
And Uli.
Yeah, so today we're at UkeHub, a very cozy place. And then we just ordered lasagna roll. Oops, don't roll. Okay, looks good. What we got?
Мы сегодня в Уке кафе. Мика заказал лазанью, я заказала тыквенный суп. Выглядит все очень аппетитно. Ну, не знаю, в кадре не все войдет.
Yes, I agree. I don't know. Yeah, basically it's the same. So yeah, let's give it a try. After me.
Okay, I like the color. Yeah,
It's like the blue.
мой суп вообще желтый. Ну, в принципе, как и тыквенный суп.
That's good.
Здесь, кстати, живая музыка.
Yeah.
Ладно, не живая музыка, просто музыка.
Music, right?
Just music.
Yeah, I know music. Huh? Yeah, music here is great.
My turn to try.
Ukulele. Okay, you try. How is it? It's good.
My goodness, yes.
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah.
А еще я заказала чай. Каламанси hot tea.
Calamansi, tropical lemon.
Тропический лимон.
And we had our dessert first.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but
Они принесли в первую очередь десерт. Ну, в принципе, здорово, пойдет больше.
it's her bite thing most of the time. I just ate a little. Oh my god, really? Okay, so yeah, my turn to take the soup. Yeah, your
Change.
turn. Yeah. Okay. So I've tried this before already, actually.
You've been there before?
Yes, that's where I bought your postcard.
I fucked this.
It's really good.
Yeah, it's perfect. Like, mix.
Yeah, it's really good. Oh my god. Okay, I'll keep this. Okay.
I like lasagna.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
It's really
I
good.
guess it's the first place I like the food like
Everything.
all dishes, yeah.
How about Subaru? SMC side. Remember we had lasagna and pizza also.
Yeah.
That was good also. Right? So it's a success. She likes it.
Да, мне все очень понравилось.
Yeah.
С первого укуса. Заканчиваем? We finished?
No, we're just eating.
By camera. Alright.
Yeah. So if you come to Cebu, Lapu-Lapu City, particularly, you can come here at Uke Hub.
Все
No,
координаты.
Uke Hub.
Uke.
Ukulele. Ukulele.
Укулеле. Because потому что это название маленькой гитары. Укулеле.
Yeah.
Здесь их много на стене висит.
I'll show you pics later. You want to have more?
Я в раю. I'm in paradise.
You are paradise. Okay. So, guys, we will enjoy our meal. And, yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
See ya.
Shiem?
No. I say see ya.
I see ya. I thought it's Russian.
Увидимся в следующем кафе.
Yeah.
See you next in cafe. See you in next cafe.
See you next cafe, guys. Peace.
Peace.